How to do a birthday card on the iPhone. Let me show you some options that we have available. But if it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, if you want to start from scratch, you can use apps like Photoshop, which lets you, start with a blank canvas and you can import some background image and then add the titles, add effects to it, whatever. But this is a bit more like complicated. Personally, I don't like to use this where I start from scratch, and instead I like to use the app from the App Store, which is called Canva. You are probably familiar with it. You can get it for free on the App Store. Just make sure you download it and open it up, and this will let you just look up some like templates for different projects, right? So depends on what you're doing. In our case, we of course are going to just set up a birthday card. So in our case, we can look up the birthday in here, and it's going to give us some templates where we have the ability to just replace the text or images. So there's going to be like a name. We're going to replace it with the one we actually needs to be there, and also the image depends on the template, as I said. But I believe that this is one of the best ways to set up or create the birthday card, because you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about all of the technical things like you do in Photoshop. So that's personally something which I like to do. I would really appreciate your feedback below. Let me know if you found what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching. In case of any questions, leave them below in the comments, but stay tuned for more videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.